Today I'm at a part of the Withlacoochee State Forest. I've only walked a couple of times, and I haven't been here in a long time. So I'm going to check it out before the rains come again. It seems like every weekend rains start to come down here. You can see here, this is an old remain, old hunting stand. I think to dress deer during the hunting season. I don't think it's really used much anymore. It's an old one. You can see how the tree is growing into the 2x4. So I'm going to check this out, see what it's like. Like I said, it's been a long time. I really don't remember much about hiking this area. I know it's really thick. You know, it's a hammock, so it's real woodsy, and it can be kind of buggy in the summertime. Hopefully the bugs won't be. Just heard something in here. Probably just branches falling, I guess. Thought it might have been a deer. Well, let's go check this place out. This hammock is loaded with southern magnolias all over the place. They're not in bloom yet. They're more of a summer bloom. But I don't think I've ever seen so many southern magnolias before, so that's kind of neat. It's kind of windy today, so that'll keep down on the bugs. And there's an inchworm. Hanging by a thread, just like all of us. Here's a little old homemade deer stand right off the trail. Looks pretty old. This must have been an area where there's been hunting going on for a long time. It's interesting to see some of the artifacts from an earlier time. I tell you what, I could just imagine how buggy. I guarantee in July, June, it must be really buggy in here. It's perfect today. It's a beautiful morning in between the storm fronts that are supposed to come through here later. Come across one of the sinkholes that are fairly common in this area here. Go take a look. It's interesting rock formation here. This tree growing on the side. All these neat ferns growing inside of here. I'll have to explore a little bit more around here. But it's pretty cool. Birds singing. More good medicine. Little botany stuff. I've never seen this type of fern in the wild before. It's called a Maiden hair fern. The leaves kind of look a lot like the ginkgo tree leaves. But it's nice to see new plants in the wild that I haven't seen before. So that's known as the Maiden hair fern. Nice. In Florida, April is the coolest month because it teases us, while most of the rest of the nation is getting ready for summer filled with camping and hiking. This is our last open window to get some comfortable hiking in before the summer thunderstorms start and the bugs and everything, and don't do a lot of camping and hiking in the summertime. So this is just a little brief window of opportunity we have for the next few weeks before it just gets too unbearable and only the hardcore people, kind of like me, I'll still go out, but it's not as pleasant as it is in the winter and spring and fall. But y'all, the rest of y'all up north will enjoy lots of hikes and things like that, and I look forward to watching those videos. And if I'm lucky enough, maybe I can travel a little bit north to the foothills of the Appalachians and maybe enjoy a little camp out over the summer, but we'll see. But all in all, it's still good medicine.